David Bizer. I'm the founder and CEO of a company called Talent Fountain. We are a boutique recruitment consulting firm that works primarily with early stage startups across Europe. We're dealing with hiring, mostly technical people, but we do also executive recruitment for positions like CTO, VP product, head of marketing, pretty much any critical hire a startup could need in the technology space. And I've been doing that for the past couple of years, but I've been working in recruitment for almost 18 years now. Started with Netscape in Silicon Valley and then moved to Europe in 1998. Worked for another American software company, then spent almost 7 years with Google. And since 2010, I've been working with startups, did 3 years with an accelerator program called Hack Forward. I think Europe can be a great place for startups. I think primarily it depends on what you're doing and what kind of a team you have. Today there's so much you can do from just about anywhere. And people always ask the question, should you go to Silicon Valley or should you go somewhere else? And the real answer to that question depends on many, many variables. And I think two of the most important ones are what kind of product are you dealing with, and do you need to be close to certain partners, and where are those partners? Because that can make a big difference. And then the second thing is, what kind of talent do you need, and where's that talent based? And how are you able to acquire that talent? So I think Europe can be great, and you're seeing actually more and more companies raise more and more money, and we're seeing more and more exits. So there's definitely a dynamic that is improving and showing a lot of potential. My advice to an entrepreneur would be to surround yourself with the best possible people. I think that's make or break for any company, and it's of critical importance. And I think startups are under a lot of pressure and under a lot of stress, and that causes them to make compromise, especially bringing on new people to the team. And I would highly suggest that it's much better to wait for the best person you can find, because that's going to help your startup enormously.